Hey,
Hi. Hi.
hi, hi, ich bin sehr zufrieden. Bert hat gekommen zu hören mir singen, zu machen einen Witz, zu reden Jiddisch. Ich hoffe, dass alle verstehen Jiddisch, weil ich will reden Jiddisch besser wie Englisch. Aber ich will übersetzen für die, was verstehen nicht im Ganzen. Uh, mein Name ist Cookie Blackman. Als Sach fragen mir, wie es hat mir gekommen, dem Namen Cookie. Wenn ich bin geboren geworden, die Mama hat nicht geredet, kein Englisch, hat die Krankenschwester geschrieben, Female, auf dem Geburtspapier. Heimgekommen ist Mama mir gegeben den Namen Rochel, ist bald geworden Rochele. Hab gehabt, alle Beschollen, mein Bruder, 18 Monate älter von mir, hat nicht gekannt, sagen R's. Hat gesagt Kokkele, nicht Rochele. Und Kokkele ist geboren Cookie. So ist geblieben. Das ist, ja, das ist geblieben. Ich bin sehr zufrieden zu sein, du Hein. Und ich hoffe, als der Herbst mein CD, das ist mit der Sachjahren zurückschein. Aber ich will dir geben ein bisschen von meinem Hintergrund, my background. I want to tell you a little bit about my background. Ich bin eins von 10 Kindern und darf geben einen guten Spei. Und einmal habe ich gefragt die Mama, was hast du nicht gehabt, ein 11. Kind? Hat sie gesagt, der hat gehabt, ein 11. Kind. Aber ich habe gelernt im Journal, als jeder 11. Kind geboren in den Vereinigten Staaten ist ein Indian. Es hat nicht gewollt haben, ein Indian. In English, I said to my mother, well, how come you didn't have an 11th child? I'm one of 10. She said I would have, but I read somewhere that every 11th child born in the United States is an Indian, and I didn't want to have an Indian. Anyhow, this is a Witz. I hope you understand. Because some say, really? Did she really think that? Anyway, okay, let me see. What should I do now? Ich kann singen für euch, aber mein CD, alle haben das gesehen von the Jewish Journal. Can they see that, Marsha?
Yes, they can see it. Lift it up, lift it up over your face. That's
Ich habe nicht getracht, dass das wird treffen, aber ich bin gegangen mit meiner Schwester zu einer Holocaust Show verbringen. We went to a Holocaust meeting, and my sister Judith Levy, she'll introduce herself and talk to you for a while too. She was the comedian there, and I was the singer. We sort of split the program. Unfortunately for us, there was a reporter from the Jewish Journal, which is the most famous English Yiddish newspaper in South Florida here. And last month, my sister Judy was on the front page, and this month I was on the front page. So it was very fortunate that she was there. It was a wonderful meeting, and these were the children Holocaust survivors, not children of Holocaust survivors, but children Holocaust survivors. There was one at our table, had been brought up by a French Catholic couple. Very, very interesting. And so that's how that all came about. Okay, what shall I do now? Ich will singen für euch. I don't think my voice is as good as it was on the CD anymore, but ich will probieren zu tun the best of us ich kann. This one, for those who don't understand Yiddish, I just want to explain the 3 verses in Yiddish that are within the song. It says, children, look at the letters and draw strength from the letters, and don't carry our troubles around with you on your back, because it will only tire you. Just love the letters, and whoever speaks Hebrew the fastest will get a flag. A fawn is a flag. You will get a flag as a prize. But always remember, when you're grown up, you'll realize how many tears and cries went into our keeping our letters. That's what the Yiddish portion says, but there are English words to it too. In a little room by the fireplace burns a little flame, and the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. You must learn to read, you must learn to heed, then you'll know it well. Say it once again, repeat it twice again. Chometz Aleph O. Say it once again, repeat it twice again. Chometz Aleph O. Auf dem Pripyatchik brennt a fire, und in Stub ist heiß. Und der Rebbe lernt kleine Kinderlach, dem Aleph Beis. Und der Rebbe lernt kleine Kinderlach, dem Aleph Beis. Lernt Kinderlach mit groß Cheshach, also sag ich euch on. Der wird dich von euch kennen Ivri, der bekommt davon. Der wird dich von euch kennen Ivri, der bekommt davon. Als ihr wird Kinderlach älter werden, wird ihr allein verstehen. Wir voll in die Oisies liegen Tränen, und wie viel Gewinn. Wir voll in die Oisies liegen Tränen, und wie viel Gewinn. Auf dem Pripyatchik brennt a Feuer, und in Stub ist heiß. Und der Rebbe lernt kleine Kinderlach, dem Aleph Beis. Und der Rebbe lernt kleine Kinderlach, dem Aleph Beis. In a little room by the fireplace burns a little flame, and the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. Okay.
That was so beautiful. Thank you.
It's tough. It's schwer zu tun on music, aber ich singe sag mal a cappella. Weil, you know.
Wie sagt man a cappella in Yiddish?
In Yiddish, yeah. A cappella in Yiddish. Oh, wie sagt man a cappella in Yiddish? A cappella. Ja, emes. A Sachwerte sind reingebracht zum jiddische Sprache. Und sie geben Yiddish a hack für das. Aber sie geben nicht Englisch a hack, als man sagt, Chauffeur und a Sach französische Werte. Das ist schon gut.
Entschuldigt mir, Cookie, introduce your sister.
Oh, okay. my sister Judith Levy is here. I'll introduce her. She's a writer of 9 books. Am I correct, Judy? 9 books?
9 books.
And
two on
a
the
10th book coming up soon, and an 11th book, I think.
Yeah.
And she was number 2 on the on the New York Times bestseller list. And her first book, Grandmother Remembers, sold over 4 million books, reaching for 5 million. Most authors don't even get near that. So we're very proud of her. I come from a very talented family. I'll let her tell about herself after this. I'll let her talk. And I wanted to just tell you about another very famous person in my family, my brother Bernie, may he rest in peace. He was just about the #1 jazz trumpeter in the world. He was very close friends with Louis Armstrong, who also spoke Yiddish, by the way. He was brought up by a Russian Yiddish-speaking couple. And I think he was an orphan at a point. And when I went to my brother's home, he had a bust of Louis Armstrong there and pictures of himself and Louis Armstrong all around the room. So they were very close friends. He used to sub. One of the trumpeters told me he would sub for Louis when Louis was singing. Also, he was in the Glenn Miller Air Force Orchestra during World War II and traveled with Glenn Miller. He left home at an early age as a teenager, and he went with all the big bands, Benny Goodman, Charlie Barnett, Artie Shaw. He was with all of them. I can't even name all of them. And then for 20 years, he was lead trumpet. That's like lead violin in a symphony orchestra, lead trumpet on the Ed Sullivan Show, in the Ed Sullivan Orchestra on TV. So we have quite a few very notables in our family. My first cousin, for those of you who are old enough to remember, is David Sarnoff. He was president of RCA. He was called Brigadier General David Sarnoff. And he's the reason we all have television. He was a friend of Guglielmo Marconi, the Italian inventor. He never invented anything himself, but he always knew what to do with other people's invention. He was not highly educated, but he was a genius. He also was the wireless operator. I think it was John Wanamaker's department store, and he got the SOS from the Titanic. He was the one who received the SOS from the Titanic. And we also had my cousin, what's the name of the author who wrote the biography, Judy, who wrote the biography?
My claim to fame is that I'm the sister of Hugh Blackman. Yes, she's not only a wonderful performer, she did concerts, and all the money went to Jafco, Jafco. Is that how you pronounce it? Yes, to help these poor children were abused children. Who could believe there were Jewish abused children? But she believed it, and she ran concerts, I think 9 concerts, and got all the money for them. I'm so proud of her.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Believe me, my sister has done plenty herself. Very, very charitable person. And we're very fortunate. My father was, I forgot to say, my father was a chazan, a shochet, and a Masada Kedushin, and a marriage performer. He married all of us. So we were, although we were, there are 3, we have a caste system in Yiddish also. We have the Kohanim, we have the Levites, and we have the Israelites, right? Is that how you say it? Israelites. And that's the lowest class. Although we were Israelites, my father was considered very high in the hierarchy of Orthodox religion, Orthodox Jewish religion, because he was very learned in Torah, and because he was a cantor and a shochet and a Masada Kedushin, he was second to the rabbi. So Mama always told us how we had to deport ourselves. And she always told us we had to act differently than the American children. So I never felt like an American child. I felt like I was in Europe in the house. But we did have to act in a way never to bring shame on our parents,
And
always to bring honor.
And Cookie, everybody in the family had a name. And Cookie had the name, she was the pretty one. Which used to make me mad, but
Yeah.
she was the pretty one.
Kravitsa, Pop used to call me a Kravitsa, right? That's a Polish, a
Krasavitsa.
Russian word. Huh?
Krasavitsa.
Krasavitsa. Yeah.
And I was the, supposed to be Shandel Zakliga.
Yeah. the smart one.
I settled for that, but I wanted to be the pretty one.
No, you caught up to me. You caught up to me. Anyhow, but yeah, it was a very interesting family life. And my father was one of 9 children, the only boy with 8 sisters. Kennst verstehen, wie edel gepatschket er ist gewesen. My mother used to say, I have 8 mothers-in-law, not 8 sisters-in-law. Because he was so revered. He was so revered by his sisters. Yeah.
Is a Schwiger a mother-in-law?
A Schwiger, yeah. Schwiger. And a Schwägerin is a sister-in-law.
Oh.
Yeah. So the only thing I better Judy at is maybe my Yiddish speaking. That's the only thing. But otherwise, she's a great comedian, and she also was a terrific singer. She sang at the end with Peter Duchin and his orchestra. So you can imagine what kind of a singer she was too. Yeah. So we were very good as a partnership in a show with her doing all the comic. I hope she'll do some comedy for you now too. Was noch kann ich erzählen? Let's see, either that or I wanted to tell you a story about, hold on a second. Let me see. Maybe I'll do a little a mazel medley for you. It has English words to it also. If I can get through it, let me take a drink. Gotta have a little mazel, 'cause mazel means good luck. And with a little mazel, you'll always have a buck. But if you have no mazel and you're still on the ball, you try and can't get by. You beat your head against the wall. Don't ever try to figure why some folks have it made, why some folks have a million, can't even sign their name. You gotta have a little mazel, 'cause mazel means good luck. And with a little mazel, you'll always have a buck. A Mensch muss haben Mazel, es ist auch festgestellt, als man hat a bissel Mazel, hört die ganze Welt. Komm bis zu a schlimm Mazel, du streckst aus der Hand, du läufst daher, du läufst dahin, geh schlag sich Kopf im Wand. Man kann mir Sugar werden, von Klären frag ich dir, als einer hat Millionen und kann nicht unterschreiben sich. Ein Mensch muss haben Mazel, es ist sich festgestellt, als man hat ein bisschen Mazel, hört die ganze Welt. Mazel, du scheinst einmal für jeden, nur nicht von mir. Mazel, du bringst a jeden Frieden, aber was versäumst du, mein Tier? Oi, wie hestet Bank a jeder Schuh, das Leben vergeht und kein Hoffnung, es als nicht du. Mazel, du scheinst einmal für jeden, nur nicht für mir. Wie nennt man a bissele Mazel? Wie nennt man a bissele Glück? Der Redel muss sich überdrehen und bringen mein Mazel zurück. die Mazel seine für jeden einem gleich. Hoi, wie nimmt man a bissele Chotschet, a bissele Mazel, a bissele Glück. Hoi, wie nimmt man a bissele Chotschet, a bissele Mazel, a bissele Glück. Du bist gekommen zu mir, aber a bissel zu spät. Glück, die hast genommen und verschafft mein Herz so viel Freude. Ich will jetzt gar nicht klären, was der Morgen wird bringen von mir. Zolang ich heute ein Moment, das Glück jetzt in meine Hand und ich tanz dem letzten Tanz mit dir.
You still have it, Cookie.
Ah,
You're good.
es wird schwerer und schwerer. Ja, was noch kann ich erzählen? Oh ja, I want to tell you, wie sagt man a Klad in Yiddish?
A what?
A clod, C-L-O-D, a clod. Yeah, a jerk or something.
Yeah.
A Stück Fleisch mit zwei Augen. Wie sagt man worthless in Yiddish? Togas kapotis. How do you say stupidity in Yiddish? Spijtem en punem, mengt as es regent. How do you say I have no idea in Yiddish?
Ich weiß nicht.
Ich soll also wissen von Zures. And the best one is, how do you say 3 coins in the fountain? Hat ausgeworfene Geld.
That's good.
Yeah, was noch? What else can I tell you? Oh yeah, ich will echt erzählen ein bisschen von meinem Hintergrund. Hintergrund means background. Denn ich bin rausgekommen von der Hochschule, from high school, habe ich bald gegangen zu the Schmatte District. That's the garment district. Und ich bin angeheben, arbeiten, ich bin gewesen a bookkeeper, a bookkeeperin, man hat gesagt in Jiddisch, a bookkeeperin. Und ich habe gekannt reden Jiddisch dort, und die Arbeiterin, die Männer haben gekannt reden Jiddisch, als ich habe nicht gekannt Englisch im Ganzen. Und ich habe gearbeitet für weibische Hittels, für Ladies Hats. Habe ich nicht getragen. In die Zeiten, junge Frauen haben nicht getragen Hittels, hats. And so every yontif, I brought Mama home 3 hats for every yontif. So she had beautiful hats when she went to shul. Aber ich habe gehabt 3 Balabatim. Und sie haben gewähnt jüdische Balabatim, und der Nummer ist gewähnt, lass mich trachten von mir. Oh ja, Chaim, Beryl und Shmuel. Ich habe gehört Jiddisch mit sie. Ich habe gehört einen Tag, one day, I hear them speaking. And Chaim says, you know, we had such a wonderful season. Let's go on a vacation. So they said, great, we'll go to the Concord, we'll go to Grossinger's, wherever you want to go. He said, no, I don't want to go to Concord or Grossinger's. I'm sick and tired of that. All the Jewish people go there. It's the same thing every single year. So Beryl says, so where do you want to go? He says, I want to go on a ranch. I want to go on a ranch. He says, a ranch? You don't even know how to ride a horse. Well, how are you going on a ranch? He said, I don't care. I want to go where the buffalo roam. I want to be more American. I want to go on a ranch. So Shmuel says, okay, if you want to go on a ranch, we'll go on a ranch. But how can we go with names like Chaim, Beryl, and Shmuel to a ranch? So Chaim thought for a moment and he says, you know what? I'll be Chuck. Beryl says, good, I'll be Buck. Shmuel says, I'm not going. That's fun. The snuff. Okay, maybe I'll give my sister Judy a chance to speak now and then I'll come back.
Okay, well, it's almost holiday time now. And you know, soon it'll be Rosh Hashanah. I want to wish everybody a happy and a healthy new year. But somehow the holidays are different. You know, we had Tashlif. You know what that is? Where you throw bread in the waters to throw away all your sins, but nobody knows what bread to throw. So I tell them, if it's just a simple sin, it's white bread. If it's a complicated sin, then it's multi-grain bread. And if it's a sin about sex, French bread. So that takes care of that part. So then we went on and it was going to be Hanukkah. And Irving Berlin, he tried to write some Hanukkah songs. He tried to write Meet Me in Santa Monica for Hanukkah, but that didn't work. And he tried to write Don't Buy tchotchkes, fry me some latkes, and that didn't work either. Then he wrote White Christmas. That worked, yeah. And then there was Kwanzaa. Are you familiar with Kwanzaa? Kwanzaa is a holiday for African Americans, but there was no Jewish song about Kwanzaa, nothing. So I wrote, Ich will tanzen für Kwanzaa, ich will springen in der Luft, ich will essen, ich will fressen, weil bei mir Kwanzaa ist Tage sehr gut. So now I try to get all the people to sing with me. They didn't want to sing it. Okay. So the heck with that. So then I had asked my mother, when was my birthday? She said, you were born 2 days after Purim. So that meant every year my birthday was a different day because the Jewish calendar doesn't match the English calendar. And as my sister Cookie told you, we were Kanahara 10 children. So there were 5 boys and 5 girls. My parents sent the boys to yeshiva, but there was no money to send the girls to a parochial school.
Thank God.
So we went to public schools. So I had a teacher, her name was Miss O'Brien. She didn't like the Jewish kids too much. And she certainly didn't like me because I was one of those annoying kids who would raise my hand and go, oh. She said, Judith, don't make that noise. If I call on you, stand to the left of your desk with your hands at your sides and speak clearly. She never called on me. One day she gets an idea in her head to make a poster with everyone's birthday. There is no way I am telling Miss O'Brien that I am born 2 days after Purim. And I'm telling her that, nah. So she asks each child, and now she gets to me, Judith, when was your birthday? So I don't answer. She said, you were born, you know, and now everybody laughs at me. I don't like that, but I don't answer. She reaches into her desk and takes out my record card. My mother must have brought that when she registered me for school. And she looks at it and she says, oh my, she says, you were born on March 17th, a very proud day for the Irish. So then Miss O'Brien was nice to me. So I liked Miss O'Brien. I liked St. Patrick. I liked my newfound birthday, even though I knew it was really 2 days after Purim. There you go, Cookie. So that's the story. And my mother asked me to please learn English. I should teach her English. She said, if I say something wrong, I said, I would. So one day she's cutting with a knife and she cuts her finger. And she says to me, bring me the Eide. I said, Mama, it's iodine. She says, jetzt lernst du mir, ich will dir da hagen. Now you're teaching me how to kill you. But I had a wonderful mother. She She was the kindest. And, when they sing Yiddish Mama, they're talking about my mother for sure. Yeah, I love that song and I loved my mother.
You want
So
me to sing?
my sister Cookie was telling you about my book, Grandmother Remembers. Did that show up the way I meant it to?
Oh, yes, hold it up.
Well, you see, I went to take a course in writing your own personal family history. It was $7 for 8 weeks. I thought, well, I could do that. The only thing was I was a little scared to go because I needed somebody to go with me. But if you wait for a friend to go with you, it's never going to be the right day for your friend, never going to be the right course for your friend. So I had to crank up my courage and go over to the university. I did that, and when I walked into this room, the room was loaded with grandparents, and they had come to put their memories on paper for the grandchildren. But I could see they were having difficulty in doing this, because they weren't writers, They were carers and sharers, but they weren't writers. So the teacher said to them, don't say about the day you were born. Everybody was born. Nobody cares about that. Being a Jewish woman, I said immediately, this woman doesn't know what she's talking about. Everybody's going to want to know where the grandmother was born. Was it the city, the country? Was she the first child, the last? Was it snowing? Was it? They want to know everything. So I said, if I put the grandmother's foot on a path to telling her own story, if I said my grandparents came from, she knows where they came from. She'll put that down. My father earned his living by. She knows what. It's not difficult. She'll just fill in everything. And when it's all completed, what she wore on her wedding day, the birth of her child and the birth of the grandchild, when she fills that all out, it's worth its weight in gold. And she gives it to her grandchild. And that means that she'll be a real person to her grandchild's grandchild, not just a name and a date on a family tree. And that turned out to be successful. And so far, it's sold 4 million copies. And now that I'm talking to you, I expect the sales to go up. Anyway, it's nice to be here with you, especially around holiday time, because, a lot of my family is up north and I'm in Florida, and I'm lonely. I'm by myself. My husband passed away and I miss him and I miss the family, but it's nice that there's a whole Jewish family out there listening to this. And you're very fortunate to have my sister Cookie in your community where you are, because she's so talented and she wants Yiddish to live forever. So my hat's off to her. Oh, Cookie.
No? Yes, Gabe.
Cookie,
Yeah, come on.
I'm going to let you go as long as you want. You can continue with this program as long as people, but as soon as you say that this is that you're finished, then I'm going to put on your I have to shut off the recording and I'll put on the recordings from FAU. That's how we'll leave the program. People could stay on as long as they want to listen to your recordings.
Oh, my God.
But just you continue and do your thing, okay?
Well, okay. Ich will singen for euch. I hope there are people out there that really understand the Yiddish. I'll just explain this tune. It was written by Mordechai Gebertig, who was killed in the Vilna ghetto at the age of 52. He was shot. He wrote such beautiful songs. This is not on my CD, so as long as she'll play some of my CD, I will sing. This song is about the beginning of life. The mother goes over to her newborn and she says, "What's the matter with you? You're crying all night long. You don't leave me alone. I have to keep singing Lulu to you. A big boy like you, before you turn around, you'll have teeth in your mouth. You'll be going to Cheder. You'll grow up to be a Torah scholar, and then a young bridegroom and an astute businessman. And what are you doing lying there in a river of urine and all that? You know what? It's funnier in Yiddish. She says, but before a mensch will come out of you, there will be a lot of hard work. The word me means effort and a lot of effort. Me and mama's treden and mother's tears before a mensch will come out of you. And mensch means a lot in Yiddish. It doesn't mean very much in English, but it means a lot. It's a lot of accolades in that word. So I'll give it a shot. Loves me shiny mein Schöne, die Egelach, die schwarze Ke, mach zu. A Jingele, was hat schon alle Zähne lach, muss noch die Mama singen, ei Lulu. A Jingele, was hat schon alle Zähne lach, muss noch die Mama singen, ei Lulu. A Jingele, was hat schon alle Zähne lach, und wird mit Masel bald entgeht der gehen. Und lernen wird der Chumisch und Gemorre, soll weinen, wenn die Mama weg der Main. Und lernen wird der Chumisch und Gemorre, soll weinen, wenn die Mama weg der Main. A Jingele, was lernen wird Gemorre, und steht der Tate quält und hört sich zu. A Jingele, was wächst Tau mit Chochem, los ganze Nächte Mammen nicht zur Ruhe. A Jingele, was wächst Tau mit Chochem, los ganze Nächte Mammen nicht zur Ruhe. A Jingele, was wächst Tau mit Chochem, und agenet der Seucher euch zugleich. A Jingele, kloge Chossen Boche, soll liegen so nass wie in a Teich. A Jingele, kloge Chossen Boche, soll liegen so nass wie in a Teich. Wo schloss du nicht mein kluge Chossen Boche? Derweil liegst du in Wigele bei mir. Es wird kosten noch viel mehr und Mames Tränen. Bis wann ins Bett am Mensch heraus von dir? Es wird kosten noch viel mehr und Mames Tränen. Bis wann ins Bett am Mensch heraus von dir?
Beautiful, Christy, beautiful.
I love his songs. I love his songs. I wanted to also tell you that I went to a Chabad meeting with my brother. And you know, at the Chabads, they don't allow a woman to sing. I'm lucky they allowed me to speak. But I raised my hand. The rabbi had made a joke, and there was a little titter in the audience. And then a man sitting next to me also made some kind of a joke, also another little titter. I raised my hand, and my brother puts my hand down fast. He says, "What are you going to say? What are you going to say?" He says, "Remember, you're here in a Chabad." He says, I said, "Don't worry about it. I'm not going to shame you." He was very, very reluctant to let me speak. But I raised my hand. The rabbi said, "Yes." I said, "I would like to say something, Rabbi." And he said, "Okay." And I could see in his eyes like he's wondering what's going to come out. And I told this little story about this Chabad rabbi who was walking along with his shtreimel, you know, the big fur hat. A big wind comes and knocks it off his head, starts rolling down the street. Well, a young man runs after it and grabs it and brings it back to the rabbi. The rabbi is so thrilled. He gives him $20 and he blesses him, goes on his way. Oh, the fella says, "I'm not going home. I have $20 and a blessing from a rabbi." He says, "I'm going to the racetrack." goes to the racetrack. He looks up the first set of horses. There's 100-to-1 shot. It's called Top Hat. He said, a sign from God. Top Hat, the rabbi's hat. I'm betting that 100-to-1. Sure enough, he wins. He wins so much money. He's so overjoyed. He said, well, I'm staying for the second one. He looks up. He sees a horse, another 100-to-1 shot called Wetson. There used to be a Wetson factory that made hats. He said, another sign from God. Wetson hat, Top Hat, the rabbi. I'm betting this horse. He bets the horse and he wins. He's loaded with money. He's jumping for joy. He's so happy. Third race comes. He says, I'm staying for the third race. He bets the third race. He loses all his money. Oh yeah, Bruch, he's so upset. He's so bereft. He goes home, tells his wife the whole story about the rabbi, the hat, the blessing, the $20, and who he bet on. She says, so who did you bet on in the third race? He says, I bet on Chateau. She says, dopey. Chateau means house in French. You were thinking of the word chapeau. That means hat in French. So she says, so who did finally win the third race? He goes, I don't know, some Japanese horse called Yamaka.
Funny.
They loved that joke. So the rabbis with the long gray beards, they were applauding. I said, Rabbi, later, I said, did I say anything wrong, Rabbi? He says, no, the only thing you did wrong is you should have told it to me alone. Then I could have told it to the whole congregation. This way the whole congregation heard it. I love that story. So whenever I go to a Chabad place, I tell that one. The last time I went to the Chabad with my rabbi, and I said, I want to get up and say something. He goes like this, I'm not responsible for anything this woman says. Before I told the joke, but he liked it very much. So was noch. Okay, maybe I'll sing. I'm going to sing. I told you about the beginning of life. I'm going to sing the end of life now. This is Moshele, mein Freund, also written by Mordechai Geberte. I love this song. I just hope I give it the right honor it deserves. Was machst du etwas, Moshele? Ich erkenn dich noch am Blick. Du bist gewesen mein Chavrun. No, I'm too high. I gotta start again. That's the first time I went out of my key. I also want to explain the tune. The tune is about a boy, a man, an elderly Jewish man who's thinking of his friends. And he says, I saw you, Moshele, and I recognized you on sight. He said, do you remember the rabbi who used to walk around with the kanchik, the whip in his hand? He said, when we were Torah study partners together. And how's your sister Rachela, which is my name? How is your sister doing? I loved her so much, but she only loved Beryl. She hated me without reason. And then he says, she left a gaping wound in my heart that has never left me. And then at the end he sings, he says, I see us all in a circle and we're dancing. He says, but now we're all old men. And that's what we are now, just elderly Jewish men. And how has life gone by so quickly? Was machst du etwas, Moshele? Ich erkenn dich noch am Blick. Du bist gewesen mein Chavrun, mit Jochen viel zurück. Und euch in Cheder haben wir gelernt lang benannt. Und steht von mir der Rebbe noch, der Kanchik in sein Hand. Oh, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahren, jene schöne Zeit durch. Und das schöne junge Leben ist von uns schon weit. Oh, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahren, Moshele, mein Freund. Oh, noch jene junge Leidenbein, das Herz noch ein. Das macht dein Schwester Rochene, die ich wollte jetzt gesehen. Sie ist gewähnt, gedenkst du noch, mir nun zum Herz gewähnt. Nur sie gelebt, nur Berlin, mir gehasst und Grund, geblieben ist ein Herz bei mir, ein nicht verheilte Wund. Oi, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahren, jene schöne Zeit. Oi, das schöne junge Leben ist von uns schon weit. Oi, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahren, Mäuschele, mein Freund. Oi, noch jene junge Leben weht das Herz noch ein. Macht es etwas Berlin, aber immer was macht. Und Salmele und Jossele, sehr oft von euch getragen. Geholfen von euch Kinderlach, gesehnt sich in der Mitte. Geworden alte Jidelach, wie schnell das Leben fliegt. Oh, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahre, jene schöne Zeit, und das schöne junge Leben ist von uns schon weit. Oh, wie nimmt man zurück die Jahre, Mäuschele, mein Freund. Oi, noch jene junge Leidenbein, das Herz noch erhalt. I love his songs. I have a special love for his songs. I only hope he hears me when I sing them. They're so beautiful. They're so folksy and they're so true to life. So now I think I will.
Cookie, I remember when we were kids, we slept in a bed. I slept with two sisters. If it was a cold night, my mother threw in another sister. Oh, yeah. Things were tough then. And I didn't have very many clothes to wear. I didn't have. But my sister Cookie had. She had very nice clothes. And every Sunday, she would iron the clothes.
Who asked her on?
Take care of everything. So whatever she wore Monday to work, I wore Tuesday. And she never knew. I told her 35 years later, I wore all your clothes.
I was ready to kill her. I used to iron and wash and iron every Sunday, everything I owned, and she used to sit by watching me iron. I was a wonderful ironer.
Yeah, I wanted her to iron. I didn't want her to miss a Sunday. Oh, no. Oh, no. But Cookie, how about singing Chablib Yiddish Liedele?
What song?
Chablib Yiddish Liedele.
Oh, that was written by Max Epstein.
Epstein.
For his 80. His 80 had come home from an opera, he said. And he said to his 80, did you enjoy the opera? He said, it's very good, aber ich hab lieber Yiddish Liedele. So Max went home and wrote this song for him. Let me see. I gotta take a drink. Aye. Hab lieb bei Yiddish Liedele, a herzig schenk Chassidish Liedele, oi mit der Yabba Baba Bye, Yabba Baba Bye, Yabba Baba 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 Bye, oi wie es macht sich nur a Sudele, singt schon Chassidish, oi mit der Yabba Baba Bye, Yabba Baba Bye, Yabba Baba 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 Bye. Es ist also, was am Geschmack in Herzen eingebracht. Es warmt euch an jede Glied. Und Tomer wird mir nimmer dick. Bald wird mir jontiv dick als nur ich hör ein Jiddisch Lied. Hab lieb bei Jiddisch Liedele. A Herz schenkt Chassidisch Lied. Und mit der Yabba Baba Bye, Yabba Baba Bye, Ja, ba, 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 bye. Es ist so, Batan Geschmack in Herzen eingebaut. Es formt uns jede Knie. Und Tomer wird mir nimmer dick, was wird mir jonter dick als nur. Ich erreiche die Schliede, hat lieb, die Schliede. A hartig sheikhosid shvedela mit der yobo bobo boy yobo bobo boy yobo bobo 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 boy ayidish
Oh, you're wonderful, Cookie.
Oh, I didn't remember that one for a long time.
That's a good time to say
Let's
goodbye.
see, yeah. That's a good thing to end it with. What should we end it with? Marsha, see it. Let me see what I can.
That song.
I can end with Oseh Shalom if you like. That's Hebrew. For those who can do that. Oseh Shalom Bimromo. Uyaseh Shalom Aleinu. V'al kol Yisroel. V'yimru. Imru Amen, Yaseh Shalom B'momo, Yaseh Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel, V'imru Amen. Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom. Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel, Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom. Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel, Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom. Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel, Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom. Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel, Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom. Shalom Aleinu, V'al kol Yisroel.
Thank you. That was so wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm now going to put on Cookie's recording from FAU, but I have to stop the streaming, so just bear with me for a moment. Stop the live streaming. Okay. And now I will go to the share the screen, and here is Cookie Blattman, and you're going to hear her sing at FAU. Just a moment. Let me get this. Okay, wait just a minute. I have to make it larger so I could find what I want.
I still have that gown and I can get into it.
It's
I don't have that
beautiful.
face anymore.
So you did Oseh Shalom. Now I'll do Jerusalem of Gold.
Oh yeah.
So everyone stay if you can.
Trees that stand in silence upon the hills of time, to hear the voices of the city as bells of evening chime, the shofar sounding from the temple to call the world to prayer. The shepherd pauses in the valley, may peace be everywhere. Yerushalayim shel zahav v'shel nechoshet v'shel or halo lecho shehirayich ani kinot. Yerushalayim shel zahav v'shel nechoshet v'shel Avirarim עלו לקיים וידי החורנים נישא ברוח ערפיים עם כל פעמונים ובתרדמת אילן ואבן שבויה בחלומה העיר אשר בדד יושבת ובליבה חומה ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לחוש שירייך אני כינור ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לחוש שירייך
I'm going to play some more. I just was checking to see who's still here. Okay. We have 11 people still here, so we're going to continue a little bit.
Okay. I just
יעשה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל, ואמרו אמן. Let's go. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל.
Marsha, you know what song I'd like you to put on for them? Put on number 6. That's a song they probably
Cookie Blackman.
haven't heard.
I just started number 1. We'll just start with 1 and then.
Okay. Well, number 6 is an unusual.
The girl of my golden dream is lovely to see. The girl of my golden dreams casts a spell over me. The sunlight within her hair, her smile is beyond compare. Like a dream she eludes me, she melts into air. Whenever I find her, I always remind her I have built my world round her. She's the one girl for me. Mein jiddische Mädele, sie ist also schön. Mein jiddische Mädele, mit der jiddische Gein. Die golden Jahre, die Zähne wie Perla, nur ein jiddische Mädel kann sein also schön. Die golden Jahre, die Zähne wie Perla, nur ein jiddische Mädel kann sein also schön wie die Levone, lichtig wie die Sterne von Himmel am Matone, bist du mir zugeschickt. Mein Glück hab ich gewonnen, wenn ich hab dir gefunden. Du scheinst wie 1000 Sonnen, hast du mein Herz beglückt. Deine Zähne weiß wie Perla, mit deiner schöne Augen, deine Hände, deine Hände. Hast mich zugezeugt, schön wie die Wonne, liftig wie die Sterne, und Himmel am Madonna, bist du mir zugeschickt. Like the moon above you, the stars remind me of you. The angels knew I love you, so heaven sent you to me. Just like the moonlight beaming, your eyes have set me dreaming. And now my heart is scheming, how happy we both can be. You're so beautiful, so adorable. Without you, I'm so lonely. You're so lovable, so remarkable. You're my one and only, like the moon above you. The stars remind me of you. The angels knew I love you, so heaven sent you to me. Deine Zähne weiß wie Perla, mit deiner schönen Augen, deine Hände, deine Hände. Hast mir zugezeugt, schön wie die Wonne, lichtig wie die Sterne, und Himmel am Matone, bist du mir
Where can
Explain
people
to those who don't know this tune that actually the mother of the bride should be singing it to the mother of the groom, because she's sending her daughter to the mother-in-law, and she says to her, I'm sending you my daughter to be a daughter-in-law. Don't let her lose face with you. But she does not like to be awakened early in the morning, and if you see any faults on her, you should cover it over like a true mother would. And if you see that your son loves her very, very much, it shouldn't hurt you too much, no? I shouldn't feel bad if he loves her more. And if I turn out to be a mean, rotten mother-in-law, well, she can go nose to nose with me. You have met your match in her. Mach het een is de mijne.
Mach het een is de mijne, mach het een is de getreie. Laat mir zijn afwebig, mach het aan. Oi, laat mir zijn afwebig, mach het aan. Ich geb euch weg, mein Tochter fahr a Schneer. Sie soll bald nicht werden, das Paar. Ich geb euch weg, mein Tochter fahr a Schneer. Sie soll bald nicht werden, das Paar. Mach het een ist der meine, mach het een ist der Getreie. Mein Kind soll dir in der Früh nicht weggehen. Oi, mein Kind soll dir in der Früh nicht weggehen. Und Tomer wirst du sehen, ein Adler auf mein Kind. Wie eine eigene Mama sollst du das verdecken. Tomer wirst du sehen, ein Adler von mein Kind. Wie eine eigene Mama sollst du das verdecken. Mach het een is de mijne, mach het een is de getreie. Laat mir zijn afwebig, mach het aan. Oi, laat mir zijn afwebig, mach het aan. Und Tomer wirst du sehen, als de zon hat lieb de Schnee, so holt die Cholilla nicht verdrießen. Tomer wirst du sehen, als de zon hat lieb
Schwieger ist mein Tochter euch genannt. Guck, Tomer wirst du sein, a dieser schwacher Schwieger ist mein Tochter euch genannt. Gut, Mazel Tov, ein Mazel, Mazel Tov, Mazel Tov, Magatein ist der meine, Mazel Tov, ein Mazel, Mazel Tov, soll sein mit Mazel und mit Glück. Magatein ist der meine. Schönen Dank.
Still here. Okay, we still have people. I can go on a little.
I'll stay here as long as they're willing to.
Okay, as
stay.
long as the people stay, I'll put it on. So because this is the only way you can hear it, you're just gonna unless you go to FAU, but it's kind of hard to find it. So I hope you'll stay and listen.
Ich bin also zufrieden, als Immet hat gekommen zu hören, mein Singen. Ich darf bedanken, meine Schwester, es hat mir ausgeholfen. Auch die Stimme ist nicht so stark.
It was
Mit
wonderful.
20 Jahren zurück.
It was wonderful. But if anybody leaves, I want to wish you all a
Yeah.
good holiday, a gesunte holiday.
Ja,
Lashana Tova Tikotevu.
mir auch.
Okay. I'm going to go on to the next song now. Moishele.
Yes, Gail, singing. I'm going to
I-
sing two
Why
songs
don't you,
from
can you
my
skip
favorite.
that? I did, Moishele. Can you
That
skip
is
that?
By Gebetu.
I'll skip
A
it.
lot of
Okay.
people haven't heard
Skip
of it,
it.
and I hadn't either until I.
I
came
should have
Okay.
looked to see what was on my CD, and that's on.
I
CD
could skip.
button.
I could skip. We'll go to the next one.
And now this very same composer,
Oh, yeah, that one.
the other
I like
side,
this one.
such a leap. This next song, and this is about a girl who's a dancer, and I have many of my dancing friends here, and I thank them for their support. And we know that if a woman dances, it's very tough to go with a guy who doesn't know how to dance. Well, this girl is a dancer, and she wants him to learn how to dance. And she says to him, if you don't learn how to dance, forget it. Well, I have some English words to it, so it'll set the song for you. But the Yiddish words say, as soon as I dance with a man, I can tell right away if he's married. I can tell if he's single. I can tell if he's a lump. I can tell if he's a charlatan. And so I want you to learn how to dance. Please. We'll have such a smooth sailing of a marriage if you will learn how to dance. Liebje, mein Lieber, there's no use in denying you're stubborn and you're lazy. I can't take any more. You've got to take up dancing, 'cause Liebje, I'm not lying. If you don't, I'll throw you out the door. You can be a Zionist,
kann. Und der Fall lebt gekreut, will ich dich und Tage scheuen, lernen Tango und Charleston. Komm, leb, tanzen, dance with me. Just pick your feet up, 1, 2, 3. Just hold me steady, wait till I'm ready. Wait till the music has begun. Just put your arms out, grab me here. It's not the first time, late dear. I hear the band now, so take my hand now, and let's go dance the Charleston. Woo!
That was also written by Mordechai Gebertug. Those 3 songs, Yankala and yeah.
In a little room by the fireplace burns a little flame. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. You must learn to read, you must learn to heed, then you'll know it well. Say it once again, repeat it twice again. Comets Aleph O. Say it once again, repeat it twice again. Comets Aleph O. Lernen Kinderlach mit Kreuz Cheshech, azoi sag ich euch on. Wer's wird dich von euch kennen Ivri, der bekommt Afon. Wer's wird dich von euch kennen Ivri, der bekommt Afon. Als ihr wird Kinderlach älter werden, wird ihr allein verstehen. Wie viel in die Oisjes liegen Tränen und wie viel Gewein. Wie viel in die Oisjes liegen Tränen und wie viel Gewein. Als ihr wird Kinderlach den Goles schleppen, ois gemutschet sein. Soll der von die Oisjes koiach schleppen, guckt den See herein. Soll der von die Oisjes koiach schleppen, guckt den See herein. In a little room by the fireplace burns a little flame. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph Beis. And the rabbi teaches little boys and girls the Aleph
Schönen Dank.
Have a little mazel, 'cause mazel means good luck. And with a little mazel, you'll always have a buck. But if you have no mazel and you're still on the ball, you try and try, you can't get by, you beat your head against the wall. Don't ever try to figure why some folks have it made, why some folks have a million, can't even sign their name. You gotta have a little muzzle, 'cause muzzle means good luck. And with a little muzzle, you'll always have Mensch muss haben Masel, es ist doch festgestellt, als man hat ein bisschen Masel, hört die ganze Welt. Komm, bist du ein Schlimmmasel, du streckst da raus die Hand, du läufst daher, du läufst dahin, du schlagst dich Kopf im Wand. Man kann mir schon gewähren von Klären, frag ich dir, als einer hat Millionen und kann nicht unterschreiben sich. Ein Mensch muss haben Masel, es ist doch festgestellt, zu glücklich sein, mein Teire, ist Masel mehr wie Geld. Masel, du scheinst einmal vor jeden, nur nicht vor mir. Masel, du bringst da jeden Frieden. Vor was versäumst du mein Tier? Oi, wie es dit war, jede Schuh. Das Leben vergeht und kein Hoffnung ist als ne du. Masel, du scheinst einmal vor jeden, nur nicht vor mir. Wie nennt man a bissele Masel? Wie nennt man a bissele Glück? Der Regel muss sich überdrehen und bringen mein Masel zurück. Die Welt ist beschaffen für jeden einen gleich. Ui, wie nennt man a bissele Hutschet, a bissele Masel, a bissele Glück. Ui, wie nennt man a bissele Hutschet, a bissele Masel, a bissele Glück. Die bist gekommen zu mir, aber a bisschen zu spät. Glück, die hast genommen und verschafft mein Herz so viel Freude. Ich will jetzt gar nicht klären, was der Morgen wird bringen von mir. Solange ich hab, hat schon Moment, das Glück jetzt in meiner Hand und ich tanz dem letzten Tanz mit dir.
Schönen Dank. Oh, ich bin so zufrieden. Well, now that I sang about Glick and Mazel, I want to sing a quick tune about the Schlemazel. You know who the Schlemazel is? He's the one who's wearing a beautiful suit, minding his own business, and the Schlemiel comes over and spills the soup on him. So unfortunately, he's always the recipient of these terrible acts.
Letzte Nacht sitz ich mir allein, ruhig und still in mein Heim. Mein Weibel ist gegangen zu sehen a Movie Show, a Picture, was ich hab schon gesehen. Plötzlich kommt a Mädel rein, amul gewesen a Girlfriend of mine. Sie setzt sich auf mein Schoß und sie will nicht gehen a Reus. Schlemazel, kein Gift und es wird nicht sein. Oi, was will ich tun? Der Weibele kommt tun und seht ihr bei mir auf dem Schoß. Was will ich tun? If sie heit auf a Brumm, gibt mir Klapp und noch was mich a Reus. Wie will ich gehen? Ricky, euch gehabt getschehen, es wird nicht fehlen, kein Zures mit dir. Euch Mazel, was willst du von mir?
Piggyback on that.
The olive trees that stand in silence upon the hills of time, to hear the voices of the city as bells of evening chime, the shofar sounding from the temple to call the world to prayer. The shepherd pauses in the valley, may peace be everywhere. Yerushalayim shel zahav v'shel nechoshet v'shel or, halo lecho shehirayich ani kinot. Yerushalayim shel zahav v'shel nechoshet v'shel or, halo lecho shehirayich ani kinot. Avirarim salu lekayayim veirei hachoranim nisa beruach ararbayim im kol pamonim uvtar damat ilan vaeven shvuya bachalomah ha'ir asher badad yoshevet ובליבה חומה. ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור, הלא לכו שירייך אני כינור. ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור, הלא לכו שירייך ועושה שלום במרומו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל, ואמרו אמן. יעשה שלום במרומו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל, ואמרו אמן. Let's go. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל.
Cookie, that I enjoyed you so much today, and I want to thank your sister.
Thank you so much for allowing me this exposure. And I want to thank my sister for coming on and helping me out. Strength is not what it was when I sang.
Oh, it's beautiful. You were wonderful. And come back again and put on another program. It was just, I can't say enough words.
Oh, thank
I
you
love
so
your
much.
recording. I
Thank
could
you.
listen over and over.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to say so long to everyone for a while. Sei
Thank you
gesund.
for all who came to listen. Hashem dank. Ich bin sehr zufrieden, als man hat noch immer zu was will her in Jiddisch und hat es also lieb, wie ich habe es lieb.
Oh, I can't say enough. Okay, sei gesund. I'm going
Sei
to
gesund alle.
end now, and everybody have a wonderful day, and so and that's it. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.